In the Fintoch version 3, node voucher balance are located at the profit page under the user assets. The previous team hierarchy was removed. A node voucher can be transferred to another wallet, and many node vouchers can be combined into one wallet. There is no transaction fee for internal transfer. You can simply copy the receive wallet deposit address, go to another wallet and paste the address for internal transfer. The internal transfer complete instantly. You expect to receive the node voucher in another wallet. You can repeat the process of internal transfer until all node vouchers are transferred to the wallets. Once you have aggregated node vouchers in a single wallet, you are ready to subscribe to FinChain Financial Node. You may find the FinChain Financial Node application at the top of the moving banner. Click and open the application page. You can either search for an existing node name and subscribe for at least 100 USDT, or you can build a new node for at least 100,000 USDT. You can choose to subscribe with node vouchers or USDT. A FinChain node is completed when amount subscribed has reached 1 million USDT. Investors may choose to subscribe for a node that is nearing completion so that it can be finished on schedule.